In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to work your single leg plantar flexion on a step. So all you're going to need is a step. You may decide to do what I'm doing here, which is use an exercise step. Alternatively, you can use any step around your house. Just try and make sure that one, it is safe, and for the safest possible variation of doing this, I, for example, have got this wall in front of me, and that's what I'm going to hold on to. Try to find a step where you've got something you can hold on to whilst doing this exercise. So it's very similar to just your traditional calf raise. However, we're on one leg, and plantar flexion simply means pointing down of the ankle. So it's exactly the same as your calf raise variation, but just on one leg and on a step. So what you're going to do is you're going to place your hands on whatever you've got as your basis of support. You're then going to bring both feet up, both facing forwards, and I've got more of a narrow stance here because remember I am going to be just doing one leg. And then from here, once I've got my toes and forefoot on the step and I've not got my midfoot or heel on the step, I'm then going to bring myself onto the side that I'm working, trying to get my balance even though I've got my hands held on for support. And I'm going to come up into my calf raise with a big squeeze of my calves and slowly down to my start position. So to repeat, big squeeze of the calves coming up to the top. I've got my hands supported on the wall here and slowly back down. And that is how to work your plantar flexion on one leg with a step.